Hello, welcome to Unit 3 of IT 100. My name is Dr. Mazen Haj Hussain. Unit 3 titled System Development and Problem Solving Techniques. Basically in this unit, we'll be talking about the major phases when we design and when we develop a system. What are the phases that we need to go through in order to complete the development of a system? So one of the phases is analysis and design. This is where basically we capture the requirements from the user, we do analysis on the requirements, we do a system design, and we code the actual system and we test it against user requirements. And then another phase will be the implementation phase, is when we take that coded system and launch the system and make it available to the users. And there's a maintenance phase, is where the system is being used by the users, and launch and production, we call it. How we go about fixing issues in the system and how we can enhance or add more functionalities in the system while it is being used by the users. And also one important phase, which is not a phase, which is basically, this one encompasses all the phases of development. We call it the quality assurance. Basically, we're going to validate the system against in many different angles, such as testing the system against user requirements, test the system against non-functional requirements, for example, system capacity and performance, or have user acceptance testing. Basically, before we implement the system, we want to make sure that the user is happy with the system, and also to ensure that the system adhere to the industry standard and processes as well. And also be talking about, when you have a problem in hands, how do we approach and how do we create a solution or a design to that problem. So we have two techniques we talk about. One of them is called top-down and the other one is bottom-up techniques. Basically, we have pros and cons for each one of these techniques. Thank you, and I will talk to you for the next unit video. Bye-bye.